What's going on, guys? This is my YouTube channel here, and how you doing? How you doing? We should have that. So how you doing here? Okay, guys. Today we're talking about waiting day. So you know it's about waiting day. It blows up a waiting day outside. You know I didn't hate about wind. I tell that wind day is blow about wind. So few things about windy day. How I should feel is this blow away. You mean a waiting day is about a blow away? It's not a big deal. Shouldn't have waiting days. Not fair. So yeah. So this is not a big deal if you want to show you now of this windy that's being not awful. So I'm not shit if I cared. Yeah. Watch you care when days do not respect me. I respect this back to it. Do not respect this. I will get back for waiting. So you don't care says the waiting. Don't be blows away if I care. So you don't even know it's not like mind waiting. So that's the way it goes if I don't want it. Just hate it waiting. So just don't care about waiting. So does YouTube channel care about if for sense a waiting day? You never know about this. So yeah. Because you can't be dare of waiting, so don't be dare of waiting days not blows up into it. I mean, blowing up waiting, you care about this right now. So, it's not of waiting days good. I'm asking you know waiting's good. It's just a blow, so how can I happen to it when waiting's not below? Because how can I happen? So maybe it's not fair and good for you that. So good things if you really never know if back in that. So uh, how I shouldn't have that for waiting days surprise me to end it. So yeah, feel like outside the waiting stay is before it blows away. It's getting windy out there. How I shouldn't blow it's waiting out there. You promised me it could be a scary me. That scares of waiting. That scares me. Stop scary waiting day if I just shouldn't have that for. Because if you really never have it for its waiting day, be like, it's waiting day outside. It blows up a way I never had. I didn't own it. It's why it's waiting. Don't go outside, get inside. You want what that means? There blows up trees everywhere. To not for never have that till now. So yeah, you're lying about waiting days. You asked me though, so that's a good one. You're blows away about it for a bit blows, so you promise to blow it. So yeah, be like, want to see this trick, guys? Some sound waiting day. So here it is. I'm gonna count to three. One, two, three. That is sounds makes sense, making noise. So yeah, yeah. You're watching waiting. If you ask, it tells me about waiting days. You're lucky. Ah, you're lucky. Win. It's waiting day. You're lucky. So, 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 I'm not just disappearing now. So, how I did it comes with blow and waiting. So, stop. You promised me you don't blow away. So, Who said that waiting days if you don't care about waiting days if you want to blow something? Who's gonna blow something when you know what means to blow? Yeah, trick is, guys, I don't want to feel like waiting. That scares me if I don't have to, but I'm just like doing video and recording, so why didn't I tell you about it for now? So I just be a just go much if you want it. So how lucky for you. So yeah, how I did not want lucky for channel. Don't be literally like this scares me. So I'll do this trick, guys. I'll do it again. I'll blow you right now with this my mouth if you want to show you tricks. So one, we count 2, 3 again. So 1, 2, 3. See that? Be like that. That outside says that waiting. It just says that waiting for you. Did not care. So I just want to see it. I see it out there. I see outside. It's a daze. I see it. Great for about this. Yeah. So I'm just kidding. Worried about for going there. So yeah. Like this for videos. You all see. Yeah. So, did you guys get this question? Do you guys like that I tell you blow my mouth until you went outside? So do you like it? 2 times, not of much time, but just 2. I'm kidding. So yeah. So so there you have it. So here you have it, guys. There you have it, guys. That's it for me to do this video. So I just try to trick you so you to blow things or outside to be a blow day. So yeah. There you have it, guys. That's it for me to do this video for Talk About Waiting Days. So I tell you blow up with the blow away. So you guys for watching. So that's my YouTube channel, but I like it. But be recording, do some more videos every day, whole year. So yeah, there you have it, guys. That's it for me to do this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Give it a thumbs up. Peace out. So hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. So see you later. See you later, guys, and bye.